Hi, I am Ruparanjan Mahapatra and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Yesterday I made a poll on LinkedIn that what video you want to see next, and around 60% people voted that they want to know why their resume is not getting selected. So today I am going to talk about that topic. For starting, let me know that there could be hundred of reasons why your resume is not getting selected, but I can't be specific that what happened to your case. So let's get started. Reason number one, your resume might not be ATS compliant. When I am saying it is not ATS compliant, there could be two reasons. One is you are using graphics resume. In many cases, ATMs can't scan the graphics resume properly, so it can miss the keywords. In second case, your resume might not having the keywords required in the job description. So my suggestion is to add keywords whatever mentioned in the JD in your resume. Reason number two, your skills or experience is not matching as asked in the JD. On one instance, a lady asked me to refer her to a job. When I checked the JD, it was mentioned 10 to 12 years of experience is required in HR field, but she was having the 6 years of experience. When I asked her, will you hire yourself if you are the hiring manager? She said that I thought it will pass through. No, it will not pass through because you are having half the year of experience than the required one. So always check the experience required and skills required. In the skills front, you have to match maximum skills, and from the experience perspective, you have to match the 100%. So if you are having less year of experience, then check for the jobs which requires less years of experience. Reason number three, applying to different job levels. In Amazon, there are level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6, up to level 12 jobs. So operation manager can be of L4 or L5 or L6 also. Similarly, in area manager, it could be L3, L4, L5, like that one. So what happens when some freshers joins in any startup company, they give the title of area manager or operation manager. When they look to switch, then they look for senior operation manager jobs. In Amazon, senior operation manager is of level 6 that requires around 20 years of experience. But what happens, people with 2 years of experience or 3 years of experience, they apply for a 20-year role and they forget to check the JD also. So in that case, your resume will not pass through the recruitment process and you have to face the rejections. From the external job portal, you can't check what is the job labeling of the post. Only the internal candidate can see those things. So it is advisable to check the job description about the skills required and the year of experience required. Reason number 5, you might be applying to very old jobs that may be 6 months old or 1 year old. I have seen people applying to around 8 months old job ID and asking why my resume is not getting selected. When you are applying to any jobs in job portal, just select the most recent jobs. Don't just go by the keyword and apply the first one that appears in the job portal. So always check the date when it is posted. If it is within the 1 month, then apply. If it is more than 1 month, then don't apply to those jobs. Reason number 5, you might be applying to too many jobs from the job portal. I have seen one person applying to 120 job positions at a time. So it is not recommended to apply to too many positions, as recruiter might be getting confused that on which position you will be most suitable. It is advisable to only apply to the suitable position. If you are looking for software development engineer position, then apply to only to software development engineer position. Don't apply to anything which is technical. There might be positions in SDE, application developer or data science or any other related field for engineers. So you can't be the master of everything. You might be having the specification that interest, like you might be a good data engineer or might be a good software developer engineer. I have seen people applying to software development engineer, program manager and all sorts of jobs, thinking that they will get at least one interview call, but in that case you will not get at all. So refrain from applying to so much of jobs at a time. You can apply for 2-3 jobs at max. Then if you are not getting any response in 1 month or so, then apply to other relevant jobs. Reason number 6, Let's say your resume passed through the ATS. Now it's the turn of the recruiter to check your resume. When they check your resume, they go through your social profile list. Social profile means LinkedIn or GitHub or something similar like that one. When they are checking that one, if they found that your content in resume is different from whatever you are mentioned in your social profile, then they will have a trust issue. Like if you have mentioned that I have done this and this project, but in your GitHub profile it is not available, or you have mentioned that you have done internship with so and so company, but in your LinkedIn it is mentioned something different, then they will have a trust issue. They will not forward your resume to next level. So refrain from all of this and maintain the information same across all the field in your resume, your social profile, and everywhere. Mention the same things. Reason number 7. The number of openings could be limited. Let's say for SDE there are 5 openings, but the number of application is 10,000 or so. Since Amazon is a very popular company, there might be much more application than that one also. It is very difficult for the recruiters also to shortlist the candidate. So ATS rejects many candidates and recruiters have to reject some candidates. That doesn't mean you are bad, but they have to choose the best one among those applications. So in that case you have to apply for the other positions. So these are the 7 reasons why your resume might not be getting selected. Apart from reason number 7, you can check all the above reasons before applying to Amazon. Make sure your resume is ATS compliant. Apply to only to jobs which are matching your skills to the maximum and year of experience to the full, and the job should be newly posted, and don't apply to too many jobs. Hope you have learned something new today. If you like the content, then share with your friends and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification once I upload the video. Thank you.